Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at a series of earthquakes hitting Heraklion on the Greek island of Crete. The seismic activity occurred at around 9 AM on Monday, September the 27th, 2021. In total, at least 10 earthquakes were reported. The largest earthquake was reported as magnitude 6.0, with at least 2 further earthquakes measuring over magnitude 4. Unlike most earthquakes in the region which happen in the Mediterranean Sea, this one is seen as more dangerous as it occurred beneath the island. Initial reports have seen landslides and damage to buildings throughout Crete. Helicopters and fire services are assisting those in danger. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.